Hi, Mr. Kartik. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Welcome to Nano Talks.
Thank you so much.
So, what is that you're bringing to Nanospace startup community today? I just want to introduce Kartik. He's an immigration consultant expert. He's from the company Switch Abroad. So, after hearing many things about Kartik, so many people have benefited through his programs. So, I have invited him to Nano Talk because we want some suggestions coming from his company or from him so that we'll get benefited, right? So, that way we are asking, what is that you bring into startup community? A message or anything?
I have been in a lot of startup communities in the past over a decade. So every now and then I get to meet a lot of people exploring something new or investors who want to put in their money in a startup which
Good ideas,
that's going
startups.
to
Correct.
work well. So like being from a immigration business where I'm specializing into student immigration.
Correct.
So starting a company or typically a startup, it definitely revolves around a ecosystem. Like you need to find a need in the market, you need to build a perfect solution for that, and you need to bring in the paying clients.
Correct, correct.
End of the day. So here in India, what happens is we see our family, friends, or relatives have started a particular business, and somewhere or the other we feel that they have started something, we also need to do the same thing, and the immediate next day a new shop is opened.
Repetition.
There are a lot of businesses which are into a similar space and doing really well.
Correct.
But here what happens is when people start to replicate the same business again and again, the chances of getting them success is kind of getting lower.
Yeah.
So here what I would like to add from my perspective is, apart from India, there are a lot of countries abroad. Assuming you have completed your bachelor's or probably a master's and you have a few years of experience, maybe around 2 to 3 years, and your end goal is to start a company. So in India, there are definitely a lot of opportunities. But what if I told you you could get 3 years of time to build your network, to build international contacts, and at the same time, you get an option where you either get to start your own company, or the option B is you get to earn more than 30 to 40 lakhs a year. Would you be open to that?
Oh, that's really great. No, so we are getting context, exposure, learning, and opportunity to get more than what you're running here.
Exactly.
That's a great thing for any startup.
Because end of the day, if you look at the most reputed positions in big companies, the people who get hired are 99% through referrals.
True, correct.
99% through referrals. Even if there is a 1% chance also, that would be an indirect referral. I'm talking about the top tier management. So here we can plan our career or path in such a way that how can I build my contacts internationally? How can I build more network of people in my circle?
Okay.
If there is a chance to build a startup or work in a company that's going to pay you 30 to 40 lakhs per year. So if these three are something that you are looking at, then I have exciting news for you.
Wow. Okay.
The interesting news is like it's been coming since so many years as well. It's just like a change in the use case of the person. There are a lot of colleges abroad, especially in the European countries, where the cost of doing your masters is either equivalent or less than compared to the cost of doing your masters in India.
True.
So if you want to do your masters in a good college in India, the fee you pay in the college is mostly proportional to the kind of salaries that you're going to earn after your masters. That's
around 10 lakhs or
around 10, 15. There
10
are
to
even
12, 15,
colleges
yeah.
in Telangana which charge upwards of 40 lakhs as well.
True.
We all are aware about it.
It starts from 10 lakhs.
There are a lot of countries in Europe where you can complete your masters anywhere between 6 lakhs to 15 lakhs. There are a few countries which are offering masters around 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs, 8 lakhs. And there are also countries which go upwards of 15 lakhs. The outcomes slightly vary. Rather than seeing this as an investment for your masters, or then only seeing it from an educational point of view, you get around 3 years of time to stay in a new country. One more interesting thing is, your visa is not limited only to one particular country where you're going to study.
Okay.
You have access to other Schengen countries as well.
Okay.
So during this 3 years of time, you get chance to network with a lot of people.
You're saying about Europe.
in the European continent.
Mm-hmm.
You get a chance to network with a lot of people,
Mm.
and then you also build up a lot of international contacts.
Mm.
Probably you know someone from the Germany, you know people from the Spain, you know
Mm.
people from France, you know people from Latvia,
Correct.
because you have access to all this. And after you have completed your masters, the government over there gives you 1 year to build something on your own or to find for a job. Assuming you have found your idea, you want to experiment it, you want to build it. With the help of your contacts, with the help of your professors at your college, at your university, you can leverage them to start your new business.
Mm.
Or else using the same contacts, you can even try to get a high paying job where your salary is definitely going to be more than 20 to 40 lakhs per annum, depending upon your skills, expertise, and work experience in the past.
So then that's a great opportunity.
Exactly. Because in comparison with any other countries, what we personally believe at Switch Abroad is job opportunities or the job crisis more or less in any of the country. So rather than investing 50 to 60 lakhs in country, and then where your entire career is going to be dependent upon a lottery system,
Mm.
is actually a very big gamble.
I understood. Mm.
Instead, you try to get into a master's program, which is more or less the cost of India only, where the chances, where the outcomes most probably, the international network, the exposure that you get, the kind of experiences, and the post-study job opportunities, you get a lot of tick marks over here.
Correct.
Assuming you have built up your startup, definitely it's open highway. You have got into a good high paying job with the help of networks that you have built over 2 to 3 years. That is what most people expect as an outcome. Due to some reasons, you had to come back to India. The amount you have invested on your education is almost equivalent to the amount that you would have invested in India. So here you get your master's degree as well.
Mm.
So you or your family doesn't fall in a financial crunch because of the one decision you took in the past. So
Okay.
this is my take from Switch Abroad.
That's a great suggestion. Anyways, people are investing here.
Yeah.
Okay. Rather investing here, you're suggesting them to invest their time, money,
Exactly.
energy, because they'll get contacts through where
100%.
they can build good connections and companies.
Exactly. And
So
there
that's a
are
suggestion.
even countries in Europe where after completing your post-study work duration, the country gives you 5 years of short-term stay visa.
Okay.
So assume you have completed your education, you have come back to India to start your own company. It could be any reason, but still you want to enter Europe. They
Okay.
give you 5 years of visa.
That's a great thing. Okay. They can avail this opportunity and they can build companies.
100%. So this is our take from Switch Abroad.
Thank you so much, Karthik.